How much should I pay to have my gutters cleaned? A typical gutter cleaning price for a single-story building is priced between $230 and $270. A typical double-story building will cost between $270 and $320. How often should gutters be cleaned? Speaking in general terms, you should make a point of cleaning your gutters at least twice a year. Depending on what sort of foliage you have near your home, such as pine trees, you may want to clean once every 3 months. Can you clean gutters yourself? Cleaning your gutters is a necessary home maintenance task. With the right tools and this guide on how to clean gutters, you can complete the work and repairs on your own. If you need a ladder to reach your gutters, rent one from your local Home Depot. What do professional gutter cleaners use? This may include industrial strength, or even truck-mounted, vacuums with gutter-sized attachments, or extremely strong power washers to blast clogs out. Some companies utilize what is known as wet-dry technology, which allows workers to alternate between power washing and vacuuming to remove all types of debris. What happens if you don't clean gutters? If gutters are not cleaned and water overflows from the gutters, it will fall along the foundation of the building. This can soften the soil under and around it, which will lead to foundation cracks. In extreme cases, water damage can cause structural failure in a building. How long does it take to clean a gutter? After hiring a professional contractor to clean your gutters, the job should take no more than 2 hours to complete. However, extra time may be necessary to accommodate gutter guard removal, the risk associated with high or slanted rooftops, or the severity of the cleaning. How do you clean gutters that are too high? To clean high gutters with a ladder, you'll need to ensure the ladder is stable and then methodically clear the gutter by hand. To clean gutters from the safety of the ground, make a homemade gutter vacuum using a wet-dry vacuum, then pass the gutter vacuum over the gutter to remove debris. Can you use a pressure washer to clean gutters? There is a much safer and easier way to clean inside your gutters that doesn't require climbing a ladder. You should avoid using a pressure washer from a ladder if at all possible. Instead, use a pressure washer gutter cleaner. How much does it cost to clean gutters on a 2-story house? The average cost of gutter cleaning is $150, with most homeowners spending between $110 and $185, or from 50 cents to $1.50 per linear foot. Gutter cleaning costs between $125 and $250 in a 2-story home with 200 linear feet of gutters. Why are gutter guards bad? By installing a gutter guard, screen or helmet, you're adding additional weight to your gutter that your fascia can't carry. They may not seem hefty, but over a long period, the tension will strain your fascia, and it will show. Your fascia might bend and coil, and in due time rip off from your roof.